Is FC26 crashing, freezing, lagging, or showing a black screen? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways that you can use to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. If FC26 is lagging, crashing, freezing, or showing a black screen, here are proven solutions to help you get back in the game. Method 1. Check if your system meets the minimum requirements. When FC26 is not launching, crashing, freezing, and showing a black screen on your PC, first make sure your system fulfills the minimum requirements to run the game. You can check the system requirements from this link. Method 2. Launch the game through the game installation folder. Try launching the game from its installation folder directly and not from Steam and see if this can fix the issue. Open Steam and then head to Library. Right-click on the game, go to Properties, select Installed Files and click on Browse. This should take you to the game installation folder. Try launching the game from here. If the error persists, move on to the next solution. Method 3. Check the date, time and region on your PC. If the date, time and region on your PC are not correct, then also you can have issues while playing the game. To check that, right-click on the date and time at the right corner of the taskbar and select Adjust Date and Time. Set the time zone to automatically. Make sure proper time zone is selected. Toggle on the Set Time Automatically option. Click on Region from the top and select the proper region. Once done, try to launch the game and check. Method 4. Run the game with administrative privileges. Next, you can run the game with administrative privileges. Sometimes the game files may require administrative privileges to run. Here is how you can do so. Right-click on the game shortcut on your desktop and open its properties window. You can also go to the same installation folder and right-click on the exe file to open properties. You can also open Steam properties. Go to the compatibility tab, check the box for run this program as administrator. Click on apply and then on OK to save the changes. Method 5. Try a different compatibility mode. Another thing you can do is change the compatibility mode. To do that, open the game properties. Then go to the compatibility tab. Check the box for run this program in compatibility mode for the option. Select the Windows version and click on apply and then on OK. Method 6. Verify the game files. Missing or corrupted game files can also cause issues like this. So verify the game files. Here is how you can verify the integrity of the game files from Steam platform. Head to the Steam library, right-click on the game and open its properties. Go to the Installed Files tab and click on the Verify Integrity of the Game Files option. Wait till Steam verifies the game files and download the missing file or fix the corrupted game files. Once done, launch the game and check. Method 7. Disable full screen optimization. The next thing you can do is disable full screen optimization. Double-click on this PC and navigate to the game installation folder. Open the game properties window, go to the compatibility tab and disable full screen optimization. Click on apply and then on OK to save the changes. Method 8. Add the game for high performance and try a lower resolution. Press the Windows plus I keys to open settings. Click on System and then select Display. Scroll down and click on Graphics. Click on the Browse option and head to the game installation folder. Select Game EXE and add it. You will now see it here. Click on Options and select High Performance. Select Save to save the changes. You can also try a lower resolution from settings. To do that, go to Windows Settings, click on the System tab and select Display. Then head to Display Resolution. You can try a lower resolution than the recommended one for your PC and then check if the game loads now. Method 9. Change the settings from the NVIDIA control panel. If you are using an NVIDIA graphics card, then you can change the settings from the NVIDIA control panel to boost the performance. Right-click on the desktop and select NVIDIA control panel. Select Manage 3D settings from the left side. Click on the Global Settings tab, scroll down in the Settings section and look for Shader Cache Size. Once you have found it, click on it and set it to Unlimited. Click on Apply to save the changes. Now select the Manage 3D settings again and click on the Program Settings tab. Find the Game EXE file in the Find program to customize the list and add it. If you don't find it here, then click on Browse. Then head to the game installation folder and add the exe file from there. After the game is added, open the next drop-down menu and select High Performance NVIDIA Processor. Next, find Open GL Rendering GPU and set it to your graphics card. Now find the Power Management mode and set it to maximum performance. Next, find VSync and set it as adaptive. Method 10. Set the power settings to high performance. The next thing you can do is allow the PC to go for performance optimization over power saving. You can set the high performance mode for the intense gameplay for better results. Open Control Panel using Windows Search. Set the view bisection to large or small icons. Select Power Options. Click on High Performance under Hide Additional Plans. If you cannot find it, click on Show Additional Plans. Once done, restart your PC and then launch FC26. Method 11. Configure Windows game settings. The next thing you can do is make sure the Windows game settings are properly configured for the optimal FPS. This should also reduce crashing and launching issues. First, make sure the game mode is enabled. To check that, go to Windows Settings, then click on the Gaming tab. Select Game Mode from the right side pane. Make sure the Game Mode toggle is turned on. Next, click on the back button next to Settings and click on the Game Bar tab. Turn the toggle off. Next, go back and click on the Captures tab. Disable Record what happened and capture audio when recording a game toggles. Method 12. Set the game to high priority. Open the task manager using Windows Search. Select the Details tab, right-click on the game exe process and move the cursor to Set Priority. Click on High. Similarly, you can also set the priority of other processes that you need to keep running to low, which should give the game more of the system resources to run optimally. Method 13. Update graphics drivers and run the game on the dedicated graphics card. Make sure to update the graphics drivers before you start gaming. This should help you avoid issues while gaming and boost your gaming experience. Here is how you can update your graphics drivers. Open Device Manager using Windows Search. Go to the Display Adapter section and expand it. Right-click on your graphics driver and choose Update Driver option. From the next window, select the Search Automatically for Drivers option. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the latest driver. You can also visit the official websites of your graphics card manufacturer to update your graphics drivers. These websites are linked in the description below. Now download the latest drivers for the graphics card installed on your computer from these websites. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the driver installation process. Once done, restart your PC. When the device restarts, open the app again to check for updates. Download and install the available updates. If you have multiple GPUs for your computer, then make sure you use the one exclusively for gaming. This ensures a better gaming experience. So using the dedicated GPU for gaming can avoid issues while playing games like FC26. Here is how you can check if you are running the dedicated graphics card. However, this depends upon your operating system and the graphics card you are using. Press the Windows key plus R to launch the Run utility. Type devmgmt.msc in the Run command box and hit Enter or click on OK. Expand the Display Adapters section. Here you will find the two adapters, one for your dedicated graphics card and the integrated graphics card. The dedicated graphics card should have a longer and more specific name than the integrated one. The dedicated graphics card may also have a higher memory size listed, so run the game with the dedicated graphics card. Method 14. Disable overlay features. Disabling the overlays can boost the performance while playing FC26. So here is how you can disable Steam Overlay. Open Steam Library, find the game and right-click on it. Go to its properties. Now go to the General tab and check the Enable the Steam Overlay while in-game option. You should also disable other overlay apps like Discord, GeForce Experience, Nvidia Shadowplay Overlay or AMD Overlay before playing the game. Method 15. Set the highest refresh rate for your monitor. You should choose the highest refresh rate your PC or monitor supports while playing FC26. This ensures a better gaming experience. To do so, right-click on a blank space on your desktop, select Display Settings, then select Advanced Display. From the drop-down menu for Choose a Refresh Rate, make sure to set the highest rate for your monitor permits. Method 16. Allow the game through the firewall. Another potential cause of this issue could be the firewall interference. So you can check that by allowing the game through the firewall and your antivirus program. Here we are showing how to allow the game through Windows Security. Open the Windows Security app using the search menu. Now click on the firewall and network protection option. After that, tap on the Allow an app through firewall option from the right side pane and then press the Change Settings button. Next, click on the Allow another app button and then press the Browse button to select the game exe file. Click on Open and then click on the Add button. You will now see the game under the list of allowed apps and features. Check the checkbox associated with the game and enable it on both public and private networks. Once done, you can press the OK button to save the changes. Finally, you can relaunch the game file and check if it is loading properly. Also, make sure that your Windows operating system is up to date. Method 17. Close unnecessarily running programs. Sometimes streaming and downloading can compete for resources and cause issues while playing games like FC26. So close unnecessary apps to free up bandwidth for FC26. Right-click on the Windows Start button and select Task Manager. Go to the Processes tab and right-click on the processes you want to close. Select the End Task option. Repeat the same for each task you want to kill, then exit the window. Method 18. Increase VRAM. The more VRAM your system's graphics card has, the more data it can store. So this will enable it to handle high resolution textures and run your game smoothly without crashing. Here is how you can increase the VRAM. Go to Windows Search and type Advanced System Settings. Select the top search result. Click on Settings below Performance. Next, head to the Advanced tab. Under Virtual Memory, click on Change. Uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. Choose the drive where you want to store the paging file. Select Custom Size. In the Initial Size field, enter a value equal to 1.5 times of the total available RAM on your system, and in the maximum size field, enter a value that is 3 times your total RAM. Now here is how to check your system's available RAM. Go to Windows Settings and select System. Next, select About. Check RAM. After you have set the value as per your system, click on Set, then click on OK and again on OK. Once done, restart your PC and then launch FC26. Method 19. Flush DNS and reset winsock. Type CMD in the search menu and right-click on the command prompt. Select Run as Administrator. Copy and paste the following commands in the elevated command prompt window. Press the Enter button after each command. ipconfig/flushdns, ipconfig/release, ipconfig/renew, netsh int ip reset, netsh winsock reset. Once done, restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Method 20. Install the Visual C++ redistributables. Next, you can install the Visual C++ redistributables. What you need to do is search Visual C++ redistributables in Google. Click on the first link of Microsoft.com. We have also provided the link in the description, so you don't have to search. Download the Visual current C++ redistributables available. Remember to download the correct architecture, like downloading x64 for 64-bit systems and x86 for 32-bit systems. Install the downloaded files as shown. Now restart your PC. After the PC restarts, run the game and the issue should be fixed. Method 21. Install DirectX. Another thing you can do is install DirectX. Type in DirectX on Google and click on the first link for Microsoft. You can also click on the link given in the description. Download the DirectX setup file, and after the download is complete, run the exe file. Click on Yes to continue. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish the downloading process or follow as shown. Make sure to unlock Bing bar box. Let the installation process complete. After it is complete, restart your PC and then try to launch the game. Method 22. Reinstall FC26. If the methods shown could not fix the issue, then reinstall FC26. To do so, press Windows + I to open settings. Open apps and then head to installed apps. Click on the three-dot menu to the game. Click on the uninstall button. Follow as shown to uninstall the game. Once the uninstallation of the game completes, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, install the game to some other drive or SSD. Now launch the game and check. Method 23. Avoid overclocking and update BIOS. Overclocking the system can boost performance, but sometimes it can crash the system, especially while playing games like FC26. So you can disable overclocking while playing the game. To do that, boot into your BIOS or UEFI settings. The process of booting into BIOS differs from system to system. You can check the manufacturer's website for the exact process to boot into your BIOS. You can also take the help of the user manual to boot into your BIOS. Here are the basic steps to enter into BIOS or the UEFI settings. Open your Windows settings, select Recovery from the right pane. Then click on the Restart Now button next to Advanced Startup. Once your PC restarts, select Troubleshoot, then go to Advanced Options. Then you should find the UEFI firmware settings. Once you boot into your BIOS or UEFI settings, navigate to the overclocking section and then disable it. You should close all the overclocking apps if you are using one like MSI Afterburner or similar applications. If you are using an outdated version of the BIOS, then this can also be why you are having issues while playing FC26. Each motherboard is different, so go through the manual of your motherboard to know how to update your BIOS. Follow the instructions to complete updating BIOS. After updating BIOS, you should not get the error. And there you have it, the methods to fix the issue when FC26 is crashing, freezing, lagging, or showing a black screen. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.